Not even gonna lie, bro. Been a while since I posted. Shit. Here we are, bro. Got an important topic. Please, somebody let me know in the fucking comments, twin. Somebody let me know in the comments. Is it me, bro? Or do females just genuinely not want a good nigga, bro? Like, do females just genuinely not like good dudes? I'm not talking about a simp, like a nigga that's gonna kiss ass. I'm not talking about that. But I mean just like a normal, good, loyal dude, bro. Like, what the fuck? Alright, bet. Let me put it like this. Bro. Let me put it like this. Talking to this girl, bro, right? Talking to this girl, bro, right? The only thing she want from me, bro, is some shit I'm not willing to give. I'm gonna keep it PG, bro. I'm not gonna say too much. But she's want some shit I'm not willing to give, bro. You feel me? And the whole time I'm thinking like, damn. I know niggas do it, but the females do it too? Like, damn, that's really all y'all want? Like, shit. What happened to, like, sit down, talk, have a good connection? You feel me? What happened in those days, bro? What happened in the days where females actually was loyal and shit? They actually wanted good dudes. They actually wanted to settle down, have a relationship and shit. Like, what the fuck happened in those days, cuz? Because nowadays, twin, you either a simp or a player, twin. Like, that's really it. Like, they either like simps or they either like players. Somebody please let me know, bro. I'm probably gonna put this in with like a chest day. Can't even lie. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in with like a chest day video. Or whatever video I decide to make, bro. I thought something was in my closet, cuz. Don't it look like something in the closet? But, bro, I just find it so frustrating. Because it's like, damn. You put all your time and energy into a person, bro, just to find out they not shit. And then it's like, damn, on to the next, bro. Move on to the next. Do the same thing. That person's not on shit either, bro. So just like, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna just be by my damn self. bro. Nigga been doing it for X amount of time, bro. Might as well just keep doing it, twin. More videos coming, cuz. Look at the gains though. Like, soon as I start messing with the bitches, bro, the gains start going up. Soon as I start messing with the bitches, the gains go up, twin. Soon as I start messing with the bitches, the gains go up, twin. Man, focus on yourself, bro. If you out there right now and what's it called? The bitches don't want you, niggas don't want you, you got no friends, you lonely, bro. Basically, just me, bro. By yourself. Learn to be happy with it. Learn to cope with that. Learn to just vibe, chill, and be by yourself, bro. Because, bro, at the end of the day, you don't really even need nobody for real, okay? All you really need is, like, a few solid homies, a few solid day ones, and you Gucci, and you straight. Word to, that's really all you need. Just a few solid homies, just a few solid A1s, and that's all you need. Really, you really don't even need that, bro. Because I had some day one switch on me. Really don't even need them for real, okay? All you really need is just the hardest part about self-improvement, I'm not even gonna lie, is what I'm about to say, and that's being comfortable with being alone. Once you can get comfortable with being by yourself, then everything is easy, bro. Like, I know I'm out here ranting and rambling and shit, mad about a female and shit, but at the end of the day, I really don't even care, bro. I really don't even care. Like, I'm not even saying that like, oh, I don't care, like trying to hide from the problem. Nah, twin, I genuinely don't even give a fuck, bro. I genuinely don't even give a shit. I don't. Right now, all I care about is just getting jacked, bro. Or to so like fuck it, bro. It seemed like that's what we're finna focus on for a little bit, bro. Or to. With that being said, enjoy the gym video. I think it's like whatever. Okay. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let me know about the angle. I think the angle might be perfect right here. 225 with a bar. Check it. See my cheeks? No diddy. I'm like it dirty. To be quite frank, I have no idea how many sets we've done. Anyway, I'm gonna split this up into 2 parts. I'm gonna do 2 sets pretty much. I'm gonna do 1 set of 6 the normal way, the normal grip. Then I'm gonna reverse grip for another set of 6, making that 12 total. All it's cheating. Oh wow, I make the rules. Let's hit it. Diaz, repetitions. Numero Diaz. I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying to bang this workout out. Get this shit done and get the fuck out of here, bro. It's that ass 12 a.m. I'm trying to dip. So I'm finna catch y'all when I do cardio. Alright, bad. Now we finna do 10 minutes on the treadmill. We're finna choose the playlist though. Back video. That's what the back looking like. That's the bag. Just the physique though. Look at the abs, God. Twin, I know. I've been going for a month. Honestly, I gotta make a schedule, bro, to upload. But I will say this though, more videos coming soon. I'll let you know when I get a schedule. I don't know, shit been going on, twin. Life been hitting, twin. Life been hitting. I'm not even just talking about girl troubles. Life been hitting. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please, somebody let me know, bro. Is this dating generation cooked? Is this dating generation cooked?